Alright, so now you're going to snap the wiring harness back into place. They're all color coded and they all go in one way, so shouldn't be that hard. And then once you're done with that, you're going to snap the window switch back into the door handle. You're going to put back the 2mm bolts behind the armrest and the one 10mm bolt behind the door handle. Put those trim pieces back on, and put the other trim pieces that you took off earlier in the video back on, and you'll be done with that. And the same process goes for the driver's side on how taking it off and putting it back on. So this is the finished product. Both of the Cadillac Escalade side mirrors. Left signal works, right signal works. Tilt in, tilt out. They all work. Yeah, that's it, guys. So a lot of people might have this question, is if they're plug and play for everyone. And in my situation, they were plug and play. Mine's an LTZ, comes standard with features such as tilt in and signal on the mirrors, but for you guys it might be different, so keep that in consideration when putting on these side mirrors. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe. This is how my truck looks on a 3.5 drop that I recently installed, and I will be dropping a video on it soon. I'm trying to get better at this editing stuff. I will be getting a GoPro so I can just show the work firsthand instead of doing this picture by picture. So we are getting there, but hope you guys enjoyed, and drop a like and subscribe.